Oh my god. Yo. You, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today, I'll be featuring someone new on my page. I'm excited for this one. In fact, they are kids, bro, and it's my first time checking these kids out. I guess this is a kids competition. It's called GMA Singers. It's my first time stopping by on this singers competition page. Okay, so what we're going to react to today, this is called, the title is called Team Pablo's Heart Melting. Take on Lady Gaga's Away, Remember Us This Day. The vocal kids. So it's my first time checking these kids out, so I'm excited, right? And I'm excited to hear new music. And the reason why I've stopped by here is because I'm not just here for the music only. I'm here for the kids' culture, the heritage, and what they can offer when it comes on to musical wise. So peace.
Paris on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look.
Well, well, this is quite magical. Talented. A kid with talent.
Me and baby wanna catch on fire. So when I'm all choked up, all I can.
Oh, so it's a trio. It's a trio of kids. Talk about talent.
Find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Wow. Vocalist. Very good vocals. I'm impressed. I'm impressed for my first time listening to these kids.
When the sun goes down and the band won't play,
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay. I am loving the movement here. I am loving the kind gesture here. Trust me, they are doing great.
always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets write.
Wow. This is a phenomenon. This is really good. Really good, bro. Oh my
We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we try.
Whoa. Speaking of surprising. Yo. This is massive.
I don't really know you where I'm gonna go. The part of me.
I would like to know, where are these kids from? Because at this rate, I'll have to go to their specific country and to check out some of these wonderful singers in that country. Because any country that these kids are from, I can tell that that country is a promising country that is leading out some wonderful, talented, and gifted kids, bro. Best believe me.
It's you will never die. So when I'm out your time, I can find.
Speaking of angelic, speaking of a beautiful momentum, when we talk about being angelic, we have to have an inclusion of these kids because their voices are pure hearted.
The words
Oh my god. Yo, marvelous, 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 marvelous. I do not know these kids' name, but I'm enjoying their performances. It is golden for me thus far. And if I could mention winners of this competition, then I could have these people as a runner up. Because I do not know much about them, I am not familiar with the participants in this competition, but I'm hearing winners at this point.
When the sun goes down and the band will play, I'll always
And I ain't gonna lie, Lady Gaga would be proud to hear so much kids endorsing her beautiful music. And it is not just music, it is also a very great trio. These kids are musicians, great artists, are promising future artists.
remember us. That's the way. Wanna be just a memory, baby.
Oh my god! Yo! Yo!
So I'm all choked up, but
Yo, 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 that's insane! Yo! Impressive, 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 impressive.
I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby.
Yo, I am loving this. They are doing a beautiful job. Astonishing job, females. Astonishing. And the guy himself, that youth can do very good. And he's doing very good. He has a lot more to learn, but when he do evolve into a bigger and better artist, that moment you all will see a promising artist. You'll be filled with joy, laughter, and having a good nostalgia when he sings. These two females are killing it.
When the sun goes down and the band
Wow, wow, wow. Magnificence. Oh my god, that's a perfect synchronization. That's harmonizing. Yo, you guys feel that?
Look at me, and the whole world thinks I
Bro, I gotta say, you guys should keep on making your parents, your friends, your guardian proud. And keep on entertaining your fans because I can tell I'm not the only one who respects this. You have other people out there who also respect your work as well. Those are the people who will support you now, here, after, and beyond. Keep on entertaining the fans, keep on entertaining the lovers of music, keep on entertaining people so they can come back and watch you guys bloom as if they are flowers. Trust me.
always remember us this way.
Whoa, I gotta say, I hope God continue to bless you people because you guys are really blessed and sanctified. You guys are some wonderful, blessed spirits, man. Trust me, you guys are doing incredible. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Guys, you guys have done a great job. And if you are enjoying this reaction, leave a like, subscribe for more. Stay tuned because I'll be tapping into more of these wonderful kids' music. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.